We're gonna show you how to clean this babyliss Pro. So first you use a Phillips screwdriver, take off the screws on the top. You'll notice that you gotta detach the bottom blade. There's all that hair gets stuck in there, and if you keep building it up, it's gonna eventually mess up your machine. Now use this brush to get all the hair out, loosen it up. Be careful though, because there's some styrofoam pieces on the sides inside the machine. I ended up pulling them out, and you're really not supposed to. That's a safety cushion. So you notice that, so try to avoid pulling that out. But make sure your machine is nice and clean. After you're done knocking that loose hair, hit it with a computer duster. You could get these at Walmart, Costco, usually any type of store that would sell these type of products. I usually go over it again once more, just to make sure you get that the rest of the excess loose dirt in there. Make sure you wipe down the blades too. That's very important. You don't want to have loose hair around. Make sure you clean it like you want the Lord to clean your heart. So you usually just make sure it's nice and clean. Clean the blades, clean the teeth. Now this is the tricky part. There's two prongs, and usually you are supposed to find where those prongs fit in. So the bottom blade has two holes underneath it. So you put the prongs inside the holes. Make sure that it's underneath the blade, not over it. It's supposed to be able to be flexible like so. So when you push it down, hold it, and then screw back on the top blade. But when you do, make sure that you make sure that it's nice and flush. You're zero gapping them. You're not trying to kill anybody with these blades. So there it is. Hold it down tightly. After you're done holding it down, make sure that they're nice and screwed on tight. Make sure you double check. Make sure they're not crooked. So zero gap them. See, you gotta adjust them. As soon as you adjust them, make sure that you check them out too, because you don't want to try to cut some customer and then end up putting marks on their neck or on their head. I've done it many times. So make sure that when you're zero gapping, make sure that you will adjust them properly. So after you make sure that you're adjusting to where the top blade is sticking out further than the bottom blade, not the other way around. That's usually what happens when you nick somebody, is the bottom blade is out further than the top. You want to make sure that the top is further than the bottom one, nice and flush, so that it will get as close to the skin as possible without hurting the customer. There it is right there, all tightened, all fastened, and you should be able to cut like butter. These are a pretty good clipper. I have a pair myself. All the babyliss T outliners are nice and good to use too. After you're done, they should be able to sound just like that. Make sure you put some oil in them too. That way your blades don't get wear out. And yeah, you're in. Should be able to get a good clean cut after that. If not, you know what? Put it back in the box and get your money back and give up on the cut. Just kidding.